Even though Herman meant to not make a very angry film, but your character has a lot of rage. Did that mentally, how did that work for you, especially during the shoot?
輝仔佢入邊佢嘅憤怒，佢其實係喺個戲入邊，佢係慢慢漸層式咁樣去遞進。佢開頭佢可能會做一啲自殘嘅行為啦，佢唔知點樣去釋放佢嘅憤怒啦，所以佢開頭有一啲行為上喺電影度係可能會比較偏激，譬如佢會攞一條皮帶去勒自己嘅頸去計時啦。咁其實係好多嘢係慢慢呈現緊，係佢唔知點樣喺呢個世界去抒發佢嘅情緒，抒發佢嘅憤怒，所以佢會用一啲好極端嘅方式去尋求一種自我生存嘅感覺。咁所以喺拍嘅時候，憤怒嘅位反而其實我自己唔係好擔心，因為我自己真人本身都係有啲憤怒嘅對呢個世界。咁所以反而係有一啲我覺得係我今次呢個戲其中一個比較難挑戰嘅係我一啲比較靜態嘅場口，因為我要因為呢個角色其實佢有啲位嘅對白其實唔係好多，佢講得最多對白嘅講幕就係佢剖白自己一個童年創傷嘅經歷，所以我要喺其他嘅情況喺個對白唔係好多嘅情況下，我可以用一個好短嘅句子，但我要 develop 到嗰個對白同埋嗰個狀態情緒，我覺得反而呢個係比較難。
So as you see, Fai's anger is gradual. In the beginning, you see he does some actions of self-harm to try and ease that anger or try to deal with that anger. For me, the angry part actually isn't very hard to do, but actually the harder part is the quieter parts because the character doesn't speak a lot. In fact, those scenes where I have the most dialogue is when I'm talking about my childhood trauma. So when I'm not speaking a lot, I have to find a way to express that character's anger and sadness through silence. But as for the anger, it's not very hard for me to express it because I myself also had some anger towards society, so it wasn't that hard. So it's almost like his fate is more predetermined from the beginning. Do you feel that way for Fai? Is that there is no way out for him?
呢個係輝仔其中一個最壓抑嘅部分。喺 EK 一直出現之前，其實輝仔一直背負住你啱啱講嘅所有壓力。佢童年嘅創傷，佢爸爸對佢嘅性侵，佢媽媽嘅唔理會，然之後佢唔識同呢個社會嘅人相處。咁所以我同導演去傾輝仔呢個角色嘅時候，去到最後有一個我哋 come up 一個好緊要嘅點就係、其實我冇當過輝仔係同性戀，因為佢就係由細到大佢都得唔到愛，佢好渴望得到愛，就喺呢個時間點上邊 EK 出現咗，而令到佢終於感受到愛，所以佢先會走咗一齊。所以我可能同傾嘅時候，輝仔係唔係同性戀？然後我覺得我哋決定到呢一個方向，然後喺我再點樣去創造輝仔呢個角色嘅時候，呢個係一個好大嘅一個界限咯。